Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make your own pumpkin pie spice. There's no need to buy pumpkin spice at the store when you can easily make your own at home. Let me show you guys how to make it. So all we need is 4 organic spices to make our own homemade pumpkin pie spice. We're going to be using cinnamon, ginger, cloves, and nutmeg. So while some pumpkin pie spices may have additional spices like cardamom or allspice, I don't think you need more than these 4. And just a quick note on the cinnamon. There's about 4 different kinds of cinnamon that you can find in grocery stores, and I always use the currente cinnamon. If you guys follow me, then you know I talk about it all the time. I really think it's the best tasting cinnamon, and it really makes this pumpkin pie spice so delicious. You guys could use a different variety if you want. It's totally personal preference. But if you haven't tried the currente cinnamon yet, then definitely give it a try. I'm going to link my favorite one in the description. So we're just going to mix this up using a mixing bowl, and then we're going to transfer it to our spice jar. So first we're going to add in 3 tablespoons of cinnamon. Then 2 tablespoons of ginger. Then 2 tablespoons of nutmeg. And 2 tablespoons of cloves. Now we're just going to stir to combine this completely. I like to use a whisk because it helps break up the ginger, as my ginger always seems to clump. So once all the spices are mixed together, then it's just time to transfer it to your spice jar. If you guys don't have a spice jar, you can store this in a Tupperware too. But I love these spice jars, and I'll link them in the description for you guys. And they come with these little silicone funnels, which is so helpful. And now we have homemade pumpkin pie spice to stock your spice cabinet. Use this homemade pumpkin pie spice in cookies, muffins, cupcakes, and scones. And of course, you guys can use it in pies, custards, and frostings too. One of my favorite ways to enjoy this is in my hot chocolate though. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and leave a comment below. Tell me what your favorite way to use this homemade pumpkin pie spice is. And if you want more baking tips from a former bakery owner, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.